Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited, about this birthday party. So my baby is turning 5 years old and he is into Baby Shark. I have been waiting to do a Baby Shark party for so long and it has finally come that I was able to do it. Now granted, his birthday is today and I probably started making all the party decorations around midnight. So yeah, so this is a midnight job all the way up to about 4 o'clock in the morning because I had to cut things and piece things together and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, let's jump right into it. If you're interested in seeing how I did this birthday party and actually using a lot of Dollar Tree items or handmade items, then stay tuned. Alright guys, so when my baby comes downstairs, actually I have to tell you guys a story. I like to surprise my kids with a birthday party, and my son, I don't know how he got down the steps. I left the door unlocked when I came down here to do some last minute things. He actually got a sneak peek. I don't think he saw everything, but hopefully he didn't see too much because I definitely wanted to see his reaction when he sees this. Anyway, let's get started. So the very first thing he's going to see is this Baby Shark stand I made. Yes guys, I made this, and I gotta tell you, this thing was a beast to make. Now I want to try something different. I do have a cutting machine, but I didn't want to use it. I wanted to see if I could do something that was a little faster and less technical. So I pieced this thing together. Now I'm gonna get up close so you guys can see it. So it actually is, it's not too bad. You know, I would do it again, even though it did take a lot, and I will post a video of how I made this. But yeah, so you can kind of see, I'll try and see like some of the lines right here. So basically it's just like 10 pieces of paper and you just kind of piece them all together. So again, I'll show you a video if you guys are interested in seeing this. I didn't want to buy any standees. I wanted to see if I can make it because I'm all about the budget friendly parties. Most of my parties are done with Dollar Tree items or stuff I made. So if you guys have not subscribed, please make sure you do so you can learn how to throw parties on a dime. All right, so we have him, and then he's actually standing on a PVC pipe. I have him covered right here, and this is nothing but a chair sash, and I just taped it around the back, so the back is not pretty at all, but who cares, because I think he looks rather cute, right? And then I have a few balloons right here. Got the plastic Dollar Tree tablecloth because I love a Dollar Tree tablecloth. You can do so many things with it. I got these balloons right here. These are supposed to be my bubbles. So yeah, I think it has that effect, you know, a little bit. So there's the bubbles, and let's move along. If I'm talking pretty fast, I do that anyway, but because it's almost time for him to be finished school, and we kind of want to get the party started, so that's why. All right, so just to add to the ambiance of the room, we have the balloons just hanging up here, and this is something new I started with my other son who just had a party, like just kind of hanging balloons from the ceiling. I think it's rather cute. It's very cheap, and I think it just adds that feel to the room. So I have them hanging there, and then I have some hanging here. I didn't want to put them in the middle because I didn't want to take away from all that fabulousness in the back, right? So let's get to that part. So my table setting is a Dollar Tree tablecloth. My plastic tablecloths, yes, I use them a lot. And then I have my chair covers, the white ones. Now, because I throw so many parties, I have a large family and we always have something going on, I already have chair covers, and then these chair sashes are from previous parties as well. So I have that, and I try to do them all in Baby Shark colors. And my table setting, I have my Dollar Tree paper plates, Dollar Tree paper cups, and all I did was throw in a cute little napkin in the cups to kind of add more color to the table. As far as my centerpieces, as you can tell, it's pretty simple. You guys, I love these balloon stands. Now, they aren't the most sturdy at all, so I do have to tell you that. But for my purpose, when we throw a lot of home parties, you know, we're not outside, so they're not like just falling over, you know, in the wind, then this is what we use. but I can do so much with them. So again, they're just simple balloon stands, and I do have a video if you guys want to learn more about these stands and how to put them together. But what I've done is that, you know, like trying to make centerpieces, you know, it could take a lot of work, especially if you're trying to throw a party and you're just starting at midnight for a party that's the same day. Then you want to keep it simple. So that's what I did. So I have my balloon stands, and all I did, you guys, was take some baby shark. Actually, I cheated, and I'll tell you guys how. I took this image as a coloring page of baby shark, and all I did was print it out on the actual color of the actual baby shark images, because I really didn't want to use up any ink if I didn't have to. So all it is just a outline of baby shark, and I printed on that color paper, and I got the colors I wanted, and I just saved a lot of ink. So that's what I did, and I just taped them, guys. I used some double-sided tape, and I just taped them. Now, because it's just a family party and, you know, it's not that huge of a deal, I didn't make them double-sided, but you could just take this image and flip it and then tape it to the other side, and it will be just fine. You know, it'll be a double-sided centerpiece. And the buckets that they're sitting on are Dollar Tree buckets. I wanted to kind of give the table some height, some depth, so I just did that, where I just kind of alternated with some on the buckets and some not. And what else do I have? I have some little from my business, craftyq.com, if you guys don't already know, my party decorating business. I have these little fish cutouts right here, and I have them on this blue, it's not even a table runner, it's a chair sash. So I just have them to look like they're floating in water. And what else? Oh, and then I have my little baby shark cutouts right here, just for some little confetti, kind of add to the table. So there you go. All right, moving along. We have just some balloons. If you guys are a subscriber to my channel or have just seen my previous videos, you'll see a lot of orange and blue balloons, because I just did a birthday party for my son, a Goku party, and that character's colors are orange and blue. So I'm all about recycling, so that's what I did. Luckily, Baby Shark has these colors and this color scheme, so it worked out great. Here we have our balloons. Now I have to tell you guys a story about these balloons. I bought these balloons, but I don't have a helium tank. I was gonna get one to blow these up, but then I said, you know what? Nope, it costs too much. I don't like helium. So instead, I just took them and just taped them to the wall. I think it still looks rather cute. So that's what we did. And here we have our backdrop, which is a combination of this backdrop that I purchased. I'll put a link below in the description if you're interested. I like it very much. But the only thing is, I got this size, and I should have got longer because it's too short for my stand. I guess I could have lowered the stand, but anyway. But I just added some balloons on those same simple balloon stands that I have on the table, just to kind of take away from the height of it being too short, and just do another Dollar Tree plastic tablecloth on the floor to make it look, I guess, like water. All right, so again, here's my plastic tablecloth on the end. I have an orange one, and then I have this blue one, just so I can kind of hide that the backdrop is actually not even as wide as my backdrop stand. So I think it took care of that. Now you guys, at the top, so I love a balloon, was it garland? Yeah, balloon garland that people are making, which you can totally do. You can even do it with just using Dollar Tree items, using their balloons and some string, but I don't have time for that. So I kind of cheated, and I should have thought about this a long time ago. And what I mean by cheated is I made a balloon column, and you know when you make your balloon columns, you have to make the balloons like bundles of 4. So I just have this, you guys, and all I did was take it, and I'm trying to do this with one hand, so sorry, and just, I'll have to fix that. But anyway, I just put it on top, hooked it on top. That was all I did. So I'm like, that was super easy. I didn't have to go stringing anything. I just plopped those balloons up top to make it look like a, balloon garland, and it works out great. So something I learned, I'm always learning something new. I'm gonna be doing this a lot more often. Especially when I don't have much time, this is the way to go. And I don't think it looks that bad. You know, you could add more if you want to. If you got, you know, your balloon columns, like here's a set right here on the floor. There's one and here's one. So, you know, I just took my balloon stand apart because I didn't want to use it for this and just threw them up there. All right, next we have some more Baby Shark balloons that didn't blow up. Have the gift table with my babies. He's probably wondering where his Baby Shark toy is, so he'll see when he comes downstairs. I had some extra, the bubble type balloons. I just kind of threw them on the table. I could have decorated this table, but again, I'm running out of time, and I don't think my son's going to care. He's going to be more worried about this, his gifts. Yes. All right, what else? Over here is I made his name. I just took some cardstock paper, cut his name out. Very easy to do if you have a cutting machine, or you don't even need a cutting machine. I mean, you can just, you know, just draw it out and just cut it out. If you have, you know, like, X-Acto knife will make it a little easier, but you can also do it with scissors. So there's his name. And then you guys, this thing right here. Now, I think it looks cute right now, but when I first did it, it didn't look that cute, you guys. So me and my son were like, I don't know. But it came together pretty well. So I'm gonna post a video of how I did this. Again, it's, you know, it's not the best, but if you're looking for something quick, easy to do, then, you know, in order to make these kind of number things that you see a lot of people have for their parties, then I'll show you how to do it. But yeah, it was a job. And then I have just some cutouts again from my Etsy shop, where if you guys are looking for some fish cutouts to kind of make an undersea theme or anything like that, then we have that. And last we have my uplights. So we have right here, and I'm using the blue to kind of tie in the whole, you know, under the sea Baby Shark theme. So I have a few over here, and then I have some over here. You know what? I want to see what this looks like with the light off. Like if I have him come down here first with the light off. Ooh, I like that. Let me turn off some more lights. You guys, I'm loving this. I'm so loving this. This is so cute. I told my husband that I want a Baby Shark party for my birthday, which is coming up. And speaking of that, my birthday's coming up, you guys. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I think that, you know, it'll be a great birthday gift if you guys can help. If you know people who might be interested in seeing these type of videos and DIYs where I do things on a budget. I'm all about the DIYs and saving money. So that is what I love to do. So I have that, and you know, some other things that you might be interested in or know someone who might be. So there it is, you guys. I think this turned out cute. I really didn't spend that much at all, you guys. Most of the items I made or from the Dollar Tree, and I already had a few of the items, but there's so many things you can do, like the chair covers. You don't need that. Yeah, it kind of adds that special touch to it. But the Dollar Tree sells tulle. You could take tulle and tie around your chairs in these colors, or whatever colors your party theme is. Balloons, you guys. Balloons make a world of difference for a birthday party, especially a kid's party. I can't wait to see my baby's reaction when he sees his Baby Shark party. And again, this was done on a budget. And I'm so proud of that. Like, I like saving money. All right, guys. So please don't forget to check out some other videos to learn how I made some of these items. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you found anything in this video useful or helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And I think that's it. I will chat with you in the next one. Take care and stay blessed, everybody. Yay! Good job, Kate! Hey, Cairo, how is it? Good.
Worst case in the airborne?